Hey planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for popping on another fun planner video with me today. So today's video, I have Planny Things December box, winter florals, plus she is also releasing this beautiful romantic floral sticker book. So if you guys want to check an unboxing plus a flip through, then keep on watching. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping it functional and fun. So today's video I have to share is the Planny Things December Winter Florals box. Plus she's also releasing a beautiful another sticker book. So I'm super excited. This was sent to me for review and to share with you all. So thank you to Amber for sending this to me so I can share this with you guys. There will be the links down below as always for you guys to check out the details on how to purchase this box. So you can purchase it for a one-time fee, or you can get it yearly and subscribe to it every month. So again, everything will be down below for you guys to check out. So we do have the beautiful little card here. It's the information card that tells you what's inside the Winter Florals December box. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. So everything comes in this beautiful package. I love how she is so simple and with packaging, and you're able to recycle everything because that's so important, especially where I live on the West Coast. Alrighty friends, so this is everything inside the December Winter Florals box this month. It is a little bit less than normal, but that's because you get this awesome mini planner cover. It is a B6, and then you also get this full sticker book. It's called the Winter Florals. It's 414 stickers, so 30 sheet of stickers. So that is amazing. And then also her gorgeous pens, of course. And I love the color combination on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging, but it is embossed here on the clip. It says Planny Thing, and then it has these beautiful like grape colored crystals with this beautiful blue color. I would say that's like a teal, but it does have, to me in person, it seems like it has like maybe some glitter in it, like fine glitter in it. So it's not like a solid matte or anything like that. But I just think this is such a fun pop of color that's in this Winter Florals December box. I really love the color on this one. That's my favorite so far. Okay, so you do get a roll of washi. And then you also get a notebook with dot grid paper. And of course you get this beautiful mini cover. And I have said many times that this is really great quality. I feel like Amber's kind of the only one that has this type of cover for your B6 planners. It does fit a mini happy planner, but wow, I love the colors. She plays with colors and patterns really well. I love the vibrancy of like the purples and plum, and this pop of bands here just works really well with this floral pattern. The inside's super fun. So, oh my gosh, guys, this is beautiful. You could totally use this for winter and for spring, I think, because of the color with the brightness of the blue. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the washi. So here is the washi up close. How pretty is this? Oh, I just love that blue. That blue just pops with that violet color. And then here it is swatched in my little mini micro here from Happy Planner. It's kind of what I use for washi swatches and then other samples of like pens and stuff. But I have her other washis that's come out in her previous monthly subscription boxes. Beautiful. So this is this one right here. Super pretty. Okay, so I did go ahead and take off the packaging on the B6 notebook and then the two full sticker books. So again, everything will be released on December 1st, as well as the Romantic Floral sticker book. So here's the B6 journal, which I love that she puts these in here because these are really great, especially if you have like a TN or something like this, of course, that has the bands. But if you guys have been watching my channel, I have an Erin Condren, and some of the books in there I feel like are a little bit too thick and heavy. So I love little notebooks like this because they're really great for planning on the go. And I love that it's already decorative and you don't have to worry about it. I don't know, it just gives it a little bit of cuteness when it's a decorative notebook. So these are really great for TN booklets like this. This is my favorite currently. I love planners like this with the bands. So you can customize it how you like. And if you've been purchasing from Amber's previous boxes, you should have a couple of these already. And they're totally blank again, so you can just set your little TN together super quick and easy. So I just really love this. So I'm so happy that she put another one of these notebooks in here. And again, this one is dot grid, so I love that. Okay, so I guess I could give you guys this one a close-up of the pockets. I'm not sure if I shared that before, but if you guys got the one in the fall, I believe it was September or August box, and she had a beautiful floral one with like warmer tones. It was beautiful. But yeah, again, great quality. I love the pockets. So with a Happy Planner, you would slide in the back side and put that in there. Okay, just for an example, in case you're new to my channel, I just want to share really quickly. So a mini Happy Planner fits in here perfectly, and I do have it on mini disc, so that fits perfectly in there. And then you could add your notebook in here in case you're planning something different that you don't have set up already in your mini Happy Planner, and it closes perfectly. For me, my pet peeve is like, I like a chunky planner, but I like it to close properly because of, I don't want to damage my cover. So I like that it fits perfectly in here like that. So I think this is so cute, and it's just a great little setup here. So again, here's another one of her notebooks that you could set up within the bands. I bet you could double up on that pocket though. Yeah, that kind of fits good. And you have plenty of space. I really like that it's so compact and cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. So that is the cover. Let's take a look at the pen. I think it's just a ballpoint pen, and it does have like the wax cap on it for protection. I'm pretty sure it's black, but we'll go ahead and write something out. So I just have this single mini like note. It's not really a sticky note, it's just a little list pad that I've had. I think it's Happy Planner, I think. Yay, so cute. It writes really well. It's a gel, it's actually kind of like a gel ink, and it's super black. And this has like a finer tip. So this may be a 0.5. Yeah, that might be a 0.5. This is really nice. Okay, I'm not sure if all her pens are the same point, but I really like how that one writes. Okay, so now let's flip through the sticker books, because I'm sure you guys are like, I want to see those sticker books, which are really cool. I actually pulled out my other ones just to share with you guys the detail that Amber puts into making her products, because I just now noticed this. So this one has her signature color, and then she has like these cute hearts for the theme, and then this one has snowflakes for winter. And then here are the previous ones that I have received. This is the seasonal florals, and it has like the florals on it. And then this one has the autumn, it has the leaves. And then this was the all the seasons, which has the horizontal stripes. And then this was Christmas Joy, which was one of my favorites. So it has all the cute trees and presents and reindeers. Absolutely love all the detail that she puts into her products. So let's flip through Winter Florals. Now this is what you get for December box. You have to purchase, if you want the romantic florals, it does release on the same day as the December box, but you have to purchase this separate. So I just want to make sure that I get that clear so you guys don't think that you're getting both of these stickers in this winter release box. So I'm going to set this one to the side so I can share what comes in this box. So, oh my gosh, already, look at those beautiful colors. Wow. That baby blue and purple just looks so pretty together. And these are clear. So you get 2 sheets of those. And then you get these beautiful bouquets to go with it. So you get 2 sheets of that one. Then she gives you some functional stickers to go with it. And these are all paper. So you have some half boxes and then quarter boxes, or more like header sizes. And then you get this full box here with the sidebars here. Really pretty, and remember it matches the washi tape. This color is really pretty. And for the price of this box, it's amazing. Plus shipping, and she ships all over, so that's awesome of her. Definitely check out her YouTube if you guys want to see behind the scenes and get to know Amber a little bit more. So you have some winter florals here with some greenery, and these are all clear. Then you have some beautiful bouquets. Maybe you're going to a wedding or you want to make a card. You could use these florals for that. I think that's really pretty. Or you can make some holiday tags or place cards. Over Thanksgiving, I made some really quickly place cards, and I just needed paper and stickers. Oh wow, these are really pretty. I love the color tones in this one with the reds and the neutral colors with this like grayish blue color. So those are paper, so those stickers go with, so these functional stickers go with these florals. So that's kind of set up for you. And then you have these beautiful navy stickers. How pretty is that? Love it. You get 2 sheets of those, and then these clear ones. Ooh, you get this large top overlay sticker here. So pretty. So you get 2 pages of those. They're both clear. And then again, you get some functional stickers to go with those stickers. I like how she laid this, I like how she put together this sticker book for you. So you're not really flipping through the sticker book to find what can go with your spread or whatever project you're working on. Beautiful. Everything's fresh. You have new floral colors and combinations and designs. Really pretty. You could use some of these for spring, I think. Like this would be pretty for Easter, if you celebrate Easter. Ooh, I love the blue tones. So those are clear. And then you get the beautiful bouquets. Wow. Love that color. And those are clear. And then here are your paper functional stickers. Really pretty. So this sticker book is super gorgeous. Lots of new colors to play with. Love it. So that is winter florals that come with the December box. So hope you guys get your hands on that, because I've noticed that her boxes are selling out fast every time they release. Okay, so next up is the beautiful romantic florals stickers. I'm actually gonna swap this. Let's flip through this. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, already, again, look at these red florals. So pretty. Also, I want to mention, if you guys are over on Instagram, definitely follow the hashtag in case you need some extra inspiration of other planners using their stickers or boxes. How pretty is this? So, you know, if you celebrate Valentine's Day, or maybe you want to put together a little breakfast I love you for your for your family. It doesn't have to be for, you know, your companion or something, but you could put together a breakfast spread, maybe a basket, make a tag. Like, I always love doing that. I just always love putting those crafty touches on things. So you can make a bookmark and then wrap it up and give your friends some beautiful stickers or something. Just, I love things that are homemade. So, but anyhow, look how beautiful these gorgeous stickers are. These are clear, so you could use these for an overlay. So what you'll do is you'll write something in your planner or whatever you're working on, and then you will overlay these stickers on top of that. Love sticker down here. So you get 2 pages of those. Those are all clear. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous is this? Super pretty. So those are your functional paper stickers. You get 2 of those. You get these beautiful roses. I just love the vibrancy on her stickers. Wow. 2 pages of those. And then your beautiful like clusters of bouquets. Get 2 pages of those. Then you get some fun Valentine's element stickers. You have this couple behind some balloons. You have some fun treats. And I forget what these are called, but I guess they're called a wreath. But those are pretty. They're like in heart shapes. And then you have this little carousel at the bottom. You could totally make a card for your loved one. You actually get 2 pages of this one, or memory keeping. And then you get some beautiful functional stickers, which I love February because for me, it's my anniversary month and it's Valentine's Day. And I like to share that time with the girls, with my kids. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, I'm Sarah. I'm all things creating, planning, yet keeping it fun and functional. And I am a mom, so I hope you stick around and hit that subscribe button. So here is the functional stickers again. You get 2 pages. Oh, this one has more decorative, like a print on it instead of it being like a solid color. Fun. So she also gives you some functional boxes without any of the illustrations, which is super nice. And you get 2 pages. Ooh, wow, look at this one. This is really pretty. You could use some of these for the summertime. Very bright. Ooh, you get some more fun heart elements. I really like that. You get 2 pages of those. Then some more functional paper stickers. I like the lilac color, it's pretty. Then we have some more, I feel like these are more spring-like, but they're really pretty. You could use them, of course, for February. But lots of stickers to get you through the year, upcoming year. I cannot believe it's already going to be 2022. I feel like 2021 went by so fast. Beautiful, this long border sticker here with some fun functional stickers. You know, with this pulling in some green, this you could totally use for Christmas. Maybe you live somewhere that's a little bit warmer like me. It's always hard to find like the Christmas part of it, or for me, because the season, or the weather is so warm here. I'm so used to being in Texas where around this time of year it gets super, super cold. And that always just reminds me of, oh, Christmas is coming or winter is coming or whatever. But if you live somewhere like somewhere south where it's just always warm, these stickers could totally work for you. All right, so that is the Romantic Florals. This is a beautiful sticker book as well. So totally, if you love this, I would really recommend buying it on release day because her sticker books have been selling out. I think these are her popular product right now. So again, thank you to Amber for sending this to me so I can share this with you guys on my channel. Definitely follow Amber on all her social media platforms. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.